What's going on, everybody? It's been a few weeks since I made a video. The weather's been kind of chilly and cold to be doing anything outside, really. But I figured I'd make a video on my brother's car. It's a 2006 Chevy Malibu. It's got the 3.5 V6 in it, and well over 200,000 miles. It's actually my brother's first car, and they still have it. His wife currently was driving it, and something broke on it. The passenger side rear wheel is stoved in up top. I think the only thing that's keeping the tire from getting pushed up into the car is the shock. So I don't know if it's an A-arm or trailing arm or something back there that's broke, but I'm gonna take the wheel off and do some investigating. My lips are really chapped. Just got off work, 10-hour day, nothing too serious, but it was 10 more hours than I wanted to do. Say hi. See yourself. Say hi. What are you doing, Ava?
Oh, this one.
Yeah, we'll take a look at the car. This is what it looks like. When I looked at it the other day, I couldn't get my fat butt up underneath the car enough to see what broke, but obviously something is broke. Well, I'll get some tools and we'll get started. Get this hubcap off and figure out what tools I need. Millimeter for the hubcap. Kind of in the mud. Rusty. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. I should be able to fix that. If you can see right there, you can see where it broke. Trying to get a better shot. I don't even know what that looks like. It rusted and broke. I don't know what they call it on these cars. Some sort of control arm or trailing arm. Well, I should be able to fix it. Yeah, rust, salt and the stuff they put on the road that leads to all this corrosion doesn't help these cars. I mean, this typical Ohio car. Funny thing about this car is not only did it survive my brother, but it also survived tornadoes that hit Dayton a couple of years ago. I think it was like 2 years ago, or it would be 2 years ago this spring. We had some tornadoes come through Dayton, Ohio. Him and his family were going back from Bell Fountain, I think, and they were going through Beaver Creek on 675 there, and he actually drove right through the tornado. So this car did survive a tornado. But overall, these cars ain't too bad. And that 3.5 motor is pretty good. I mean, as far as I know, all he's ever done to this thing was plugs and wires twice, an EGR valve. I think I charged the AC once in it, and then 2 sets of brake pads, air filter, 1 wheel bearing, and 2 tie rod ends. And then this problem right here. But yeah, I'll have to order the parts, and then whenever I get them, I'll make a video of me replacing it probably.